Hey guys, it's super hot right now. We're just gonna do a little evening send right now. We are about whichever direction, I don't know. We're 2 miles away from where we fished last time. And I don't know if you guys can see, but right over there, there's a dam. This is the only other dam in this section of the Charles near me. And I'm super hyped because I got my fly rod. Look at this slow moving water. It's gonna be awesome. And yeah, let's get to it. Wish me luck. All right. So I have a woolly bugger tied on right now. We might as well start with that. So apparently there's carp here. There's obviously smallmouth. I wonder what else. Let's just give it a whirl, shall we? All right, we're gonna try and get all the way up here by this dam just to see if there's anything living. Man, the bugs are terrible. Oh, that's a fish. There we go. No! He had it. That was a smallie, 100%. Come on, Bubba. There we go. I saw him take that. Oh, he spit it. Damn. It's not a big fish, but that was so cool. I saw him eat it underwater. All right. I gotta be a little more patient though. I know what I'm doing wrong. I gotta strip into him. I think I'm gonna switch it up. This ain't working. All right, we switched it up. Hopefully this will work. I know there's at least one smallie in this pool, so we'll see if we can get him. Ayo, ayo. What's that? What do we got? What do we got? Sunfish. I'll take it. I will take it. Just splattered all that water into my mouth. Wonderful. Look at that beautiful little guy. See you later. Woo! All right, we got one. We're on the board. Now we just gotta get a smallie. That's what we're really here for. I've already had one, or maybe two, hit it twice. Hit the woolly bugger twice. So, we'll see. Oh! That fish came up and clapped it. As soon as it hit the water. But we're not hooking them. There we go. That's something bigger. I feel like maybe not. It was just in the current. That's okay. We'll take sunfish. We'll take sunfish all day. Nice little sunfish. Back into the drink. Whoa! That fish exploded on it. They're in that pool. Damn it. They are definitely in that pool. Oh, that, what is it? Dude, are you serious? Sunfish absolutely love this rig. Now I just need to get some bass to love it too. Oh. Ah, that was sick. There we go. What is that? Another sunfish? Woo! He's fighting pretty damn hard. I don't feel like this is a sunfish. Oh my God, this is definitely not a sunfish. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Oh my. Oh, he's in the weeds. It's a smallie. Come here, bud. Come here. Yes. Did we snag him? Oh, we snagged him. Wait, what? Oh, no, we didn't. We didn't snag him. The thing is just... Let's go! Smallmouth bass. Look at that guy right in the corner of the mouth. You guys probably can't even hear me. Oh, I just completely dropped my rod. Woo! Gotta get this hook out. Look at that fish, guys. Such a beautiful little bass. All right, we're gonna send him on his way. Gnarly! Let's go! That is what we came out here to do. Catch some smallmouth bass, baby. Holy crap. That was an aggressive bite. Yeah, there's fish feeding in this corner over here. Damn it. Huh. They keep hitting it, but they're just not getting the hook in their mouth. Oh, there we go. Oh. Damn it. The same fish hits it every cast. There we go. Oh. Dude, they bring me into the weeds. What the heck? There we go. 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 Do we have two? No way. What is this? Oh, just one. We had two for a second. Another smallie. Yes. They are stocked over there. They are stocked. Freaking stocked. Another beautiful little smallie. Definitely smaller than the other one. But hey. Size does not matter. See ya, bud. This spot seems to be the juice hole so far. This corner. Let's see if we can get three. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure on my last cast I had two on, and then one of them came off. Wow, that's a big sun. Oh yeah. Yep. We did it again. We got two. Dude, this rig is so sick. Alright, we'll try to... The guy on the top's gonna need the pliers. So we'll take the guy... Oh, the guy on the bottom. No! I got you, bud. There you go. Alright. Oh no, get out of my fly line. Alright. This guy's gonna need some attention. Because he absolutely engulfed it, yeah. I need to get the pliers. Really enjoy absolutely clobbering that. See you later, bud. Woo! Shot off like a torpedo. That is what we like to see. Oh! Ayo! There's a little sunny. Wait, what is going on here? Did he really eat both hooks? What? Alright, we got one. Oh, we got both of them. Nice. See you later, bud. I was starting to worry there for a minute because he had both of my hooks in his mouth somehow. They must have just got tangled. Oh! What is this? Hey! We got a sunfish. We got a sunfish. Nice. Honestly, woo! It's kind of hard to tell if it's a smallmouth or a sunfish right at the beginning. But then once they actually start, you know, fighting and all that stuff, then you can tell. Then it's like, oh hey, this guy's tugging me all the way to China. Then it's a smallie. But if it's just, you know, like putting up a fight, but it's not really anything crazy, chances are it's just a sunfish. Wow. Wow. He exploded on that. Wow, this is the biggest, holy crap. Oh my God, guys. This is an absolute dinner plate. Look. Whoa! That guy was as big as my hand. For sunfish, that's pretty big. I think we... Oh, he came off. That's okay. What I was saying was, I think we found him. Yeah, you could say that. I really hope the audio is okay because there's so many catches. It would suck if the audio didn't work. I mean, I guess I could go over it myself. Man, they love splashing the water up into my face. That's awesome. It just feels so good, you know, when this disgusting water gets in your mouth. Oh! That was a bigger fish. 100%. What do we got here? This guy... Oh! Just another sunfish. Pretty damn cool. He choked it. Look at it's gone. Absolutely gone. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to throw you on that rock. I didn't mean to drop you on that rock. Now, these sunfish are cool and all, but I was, wow, that guy ate it. That was a sickie. Holy crap. Holy crap. That was so sick. That was so sick. These are good sized sunnies too. See you later. I can never tell what species they are. I can never tell. Why does this feel so heavy? Oh, because I got two! Holy shit, guys. I think I got two monsters. Oh, oh, yo! Smallie and a sunfish. What the hell? What the hell? Alright. How am I gonna do this? Dude. How the hell did this guy eat it? Alright, we'll get the Smallie off first. And then... this is an absolute shit show. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Alright. Jesus Christ. We'll get the Smallie off first. Alright. Smallmouth. Going back. See you later. Now, where did you go, Big Bertha? In the drudge? Of course you did. Of course you went white. Of course you went right in the freaking weeds. Because that's where you thrive. Alright, what's the deal with you? That's awesome. I caught a sunfish and a largemouth on the same cast. What's the deal with you, huh? You need some pliers? There we go. See you later, big girl. Woo! I'm sorry guys, but how can I not become a fly fisherman? If this is what happens when I go fly fishing. Like, there's literally nothing. How could I say no? You know what's weird? The guy who showed me this rig told me that the Smallies will absolutely crush this, but I've caught all three of them today on this. The little, well, it just looks like a bunch of grass, but this little pheasant tail. Whoa! I don't understand why the sunfish are more aggressive than the freaking bass. That's kind of crazy. See you later, bud. Nah. This... Oh. Okay. What is this? Woo-hoo! The smallmouth are on point. Oh, we finally got one on the top too. Awesome. Dude, I can feel the energy flowing through this guy. Holy crap. He was just waiting to kick off. Look at him. Look at him. He's ready to go. Gnarly. Heyo. Heyo. What do we got here? Sunfish. Mr. Sunfish. Guys, like, you might not understand this, but these aren't that small either. You got it, you got it, you got it. There you go. Whoa! Oh, he's in the muck. Can we get him out? I really don't want to break my rod. All right. We broke the... Did we break the line? Yeah, we broke the line. Damn it. That's okay, I have plenty. Holy shit, the amount of bugs. All right, I think I'm gonna dip. There's way too many fucking bugs over here. Dude, I didn't even realize. Look at all that. Oh my god. I'm surprised none of them have flown in my mouth yet. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Dude, there's so many bugs here. That's gross. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Holy crap. Oh, I didn't even realize. Oh, I was having so much fun catching fish, and then I looked into the sky. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but they're literally everywhere. Oh, fuck me. Oh. All right, it's much better over here. Wow. They're just like little gnats. It's no big deal, but they when they fly in your mouth and in your nose, like, speak of the devil. It literally just happened. As soon as I said that, one flew right into my mouth. All right. Well, we still got some time to kill before the sun sets completely. And now the audio will hopefully be much better because we're not in the freaking right in front of a giant ass waterfall. So let's see. Try out this bad guy. Damn though, I lost one of the flies that guy gave me. I have other ones a lot like it, but I don't have one identical to it, so I'll have to snag it. It's like this one, except with a bead on it. Ugh. So this is the closest I got. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but that's what we're gonna go with. I feel like we can get one more. Something just hit my... Oh, we got something. What is this? What is this? Nice little sunfish to end the day. Alrighty. What another tremendous fly fishing session we had today. See you later, my guy. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, honestly it's probably too dark for you guys to even see me, but thank you so much for watching. We had such an awesome day. Not even a day, it was like an hour or something. That was awesome. We caught, what, 4 smallies, a ton of sunfish. What a crazy day out on the water. Unfortunately, that is going to be it for today. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. Subscribe if you like the stuff I'm putting out. If you don't have to subscribe. Do whatever you want. But all I know is that in a week's time, when I'm in New Hampshire, fishing stuff like this, it's going to be awesome. And hopefully, we'll be able to slay them on the fly just like we did here.